Okay, so Sophie said that we're going to start sound checking the drums, getting the bass drum through. And now what, Sophie? Now what?
Wait.
Now what?
Alright, okay.
Yeah, but...
Alright. Alright, can we do the snare now, please?
Snare! We're on snare. Hi-hat, she said.
And then hi, Tom.
Hi, Tom. Hi, Tom. Cheers.
And mid-tom.
Mid-tom.
And low-tom.
Low-tom.
Overhead one. What would that be? Just like...
yeah, just the first crash, overhead one.
Okay.
That's cool, that's enough. That's fine, that's fine. Yeah. Right, overhead two. Yeah, that's good. Okay, now play the whole kit.
Both working, haven't
Yeah, we got the effects. Yeah. Thank you, thank you. Sweet.
Right.
Right, vocal.
So would that be vocal
Yeah,
one?
vocal one next.
Hello.
Turn out.
Hello. Okay. Hello. Is anybody there? Hello.
Yeah, that's good. Can I have bass now? Right, yeah, that's good. And then, next, that'll be guitar one.
Guitar one.
Which one's guitar one?
Guitar one is going to be the one plugged into the Gold Marshall. Shut up!
Sam's guitar next.
Yeah, Sam, your guitar too. Okay, that's cool, guys. That's a wrap. We've done that. We're gonna play a song and we're gonna record it through the thingy. Okay, so that's that. Okay, thanks.